Meaning of explicable.
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 Explicable. The term explicable refers to something that can be explained or understood. It suggests that a subject matter can be clarified or accounted for using language, reason, or evidence. The ability to explain something is critical in fields such as science, law, education, and communication. Being able to find an explanation can alleviate confusion, support decision-making, and foster deeper understanding. Therefore, when something is explicable, it means it is not beyond comprehension or comprehension but rather can be made intelligible through various means.